Holy sh! ChatGPT only released 4 weeks ago, and SEO professionals have already figured out some insane applications for it. Applications that are making their website traffic go vertical. And in this video, I'm going to share them all with you. And I'm also going to address the elephant in the room. Is Google going to die? If users can get their questions answered instantly and easily from an AI, why bother sifting through 10 results on page 1 of Google, some of which are ads? For the past 4 weeks, I've been digging into ChatGPT, and I finally have an answer to that question. Let's take it back to the beginning, a whopping 4 weeks ago. In just 5 days since its release, ChatGPT attracted over 1 million users. Elon Musk called it, quote, scary good. What does it do? It's a free dialogue-based tool driven by artificial intelligence. You can ask it a question or give it a command such as, write me a 1,000-word blog post on the benefits of apple cider vinegar, and it does exactly that. And it does a damn good job too. Scary good. The crazy thing is that ChatGPT isn't just a database of stuff like apple cider vinegar. It was trained with a wide set of general knowledge that it can apply to do a variety of tasks. This search and journal article gives an excellent analogy. It's similar to how a human learns. For example, if a human learns carpentry fundamentals, they can apply that knowledge to build a table, even though that person was never specifically taught how to do it. ChatGPT is based off GPT, that's Generative Pre-trained Transformer version 3.5, the latest and greatest of OpenAI's language models. Now, before I get into all the incredible SEO abuse cases for the tool, whoops, did I say abuse? I totally meant use cases. We'll take a closer look at ChatGPT and explore why Google is terrified of this technology. The first reason is ease of use. Just look at how easy it is to find answers to your questions compared to the typical Google experience. If I ask ChatGPT, what should I bring to Thailand? Bam, here's a list of 9 things I need to pack. Passport, visa, clothing, and so forth. But if I ask Google, I don't get a quick answer. I get a list of websites that I need to sort through. Which one of these should I trust? And for many search queries, the top slots are going to be taken up by ads. Ain't no ads in ChatGPT. And speaking of getting a faster answer, Google articles are written for SEO. Let's say you wanted to know how many calories are in an apple. So you open up this article in position 1 of Google. Look at how much content you need to get through to find the damn answer. The entire article should actually just read calories, 95. But if it did, it would never rank on Google. Meanwhile, ChatGPT says, hold my beer, here's your quick answer. ChatGPT is also dialogue-based. You can legit have a conversation with it. Ask it, which is better for living as an entrepreneur, San Francisco or Austin? First, you get your answer. You can then ask the question that's really on your mind, which has better burritos, and it will remember that we're still talking about SF in Austin. Another insane reason is that ChatGPT can freaking code. Watch this. Write me PHP code for a mortgage calculator. There you go. Here's code that you can put on your own website and have your own link-bait mortgage calculator in seconds. Now, there's more powerful SEO applications than this, and we'll get to them all later. But first, I want to look at the other side of the argument, why Google might not be in as much danger as we think. First off, and this is a big one, GPT still messes up facts a lot. When you're looking for answers, you need to be able to trust your source. Look at this answer to the ChatGPT question, which websites use WooCommerce? Shopify, their main competitor, uses WooCommerce?
What?
This Yahoo Finance article puts it clearly. ChatGPT doesn't know the difference between truth and falsehood. It will just make up a story on the spot. No one in their right mind should look at a tweet and believe it, the same way no one should look at the output of ChatGPT and believe it at face value. And the problem is, if you don't already know the answer, then you have no idea if it's wrong. And that poses a big threat to user confidence. A big reason for its inability to answer facts correctly is that GPT was only trained on a dataset up to 2021. If you ask ChatGPT, it will openly tell you that. And of course, this limitation will go away if they figure out how to train it in real time. In comparison, Google has way more data to work with, namely the entire internet. There's 1.14 billion websites on the interwebs. Google has the capacity to crawl and index all of them, adding to its massive database of information at its fingertips to get questions accurately answered. ChatGPT was only trained on 570 gigabytes of data sourced from books, Wikipedia, research, and websites. And while 570 GB is a lot, it's hardly 1.14 billion websites worth of data. Your hard drive is likely bigger than that. As we talked about before, ChatGPT has the advantage that you get a quick answer from one source. That's sometimes a good thing, but sometimes it's not. Imagine you're searching for something like best backpack for hiking. In situations like this, you want a variety of different opinions and reviews. Google provides you with a curated list of trusted sources so you can pick what you want to believe. People like freedom of choice. Just try to take that away from them. Speaking of reviews, they're non-existent on ChatGPT. My buddy Steve Toth pointed this out. He's coming over to speak at Chiang Mai SEO conference next year and asked ChatGPT what he should do. Cooking classes were on the list, so he asked which ones are the best. It wouldn't give him the names of cooking schools, no reviews, and no links to their websites. That's not very helpful. And what if you need someone with experience to answer your question? Let's say your question is, do I have an ulcer? You want to make sure you're reading content produced by a qualified medical professional, like this handsome doctor in this Healthline article. But probably the biggest reason that you shouldn't think Google is threatened by ChatGPT is simply that Google doesn't like AI content. Google has said multiple times that AI-generated content is against their guidelines. Can Google detect AI content now? Not quite, at least not algorithmically and not without human intervention. But that may change soon. This Search Engine Journal article reveals that OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is working on a cryptography-based watermarking technology that will leave a footprint on AI-generated content so it can be detected. But there's simple ways around the watermark detection too. Now, before I get into the ChatGPT applications that have already changed SEO forever, there's one huge reason that Google isn't going anywhere. Because Google is Google. Let's take a step back and think about things. This is Google we're talking about here, the biggest company in the world with over $1 trillion valuation. If Google really thought ChatGPT was a threat, it would acquire it. And because of this, I stand firm that Google is not dead meat. SEO isn't dead. And in fact, the job of the SEO professional just got more powerful than ever. Let's take a look at what you can do with ChatGPT to supercharge your SEO strategy, starting with keyword research. Ask ChatGPT to give you 50 long-tail keywords to target on a blog about crypto. Wow, that was easy. What is cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin, best cryptocurrency to invest in, and so forth.
But maybe you want to start with the narrower topic of Bitcoin. Let's ask for more keywords. Excellent. How to buy Bitcoin with credit card, Bitcoin mining pool explained. These are all great long tails. Number 13 sounds interesting, Bitcoin and its potential use in the real estate market. Let's ask it to create an article outline for it. Amazing. We got an introduction broken down into a primer to Bitcoin and the real estate market. And the first subsection of the main body is super logical too. History of Bitcoin and the real estate market.
But to be fair, Bitcoin and its potential use in the real estate market sounds boring AF. Let's get a better title.
Give me a more catchy, clickbaity title. Now we're talking. The future of real estate, how Bitcoin is revolutionizing the industry. Or discover the benefits of using Bitcoin to buy and sell property. Seriously, any one of these is better than I can do.
But maybe you want a keyword optimized title, so you could tell it to put Bitcoin and real estate at the front.
Title number 5 is awesome. Real estate meets Bitcoin. Is this the future of property investment?
Now get ChatGPT to write your introduction paragraph by typing, write a 150-word introduction for answer number 5. How about an FAQ section? Easy. Tell ChatGPT to make an FAQ section for your article. So let's say you continue on and finish the rest of the article. Let's make sure it's SEO optimized. ChatGPT, provide a list of semantically relevant topics that are missing from and insert your article.
Looks like we missed a lot. Our article didn't talk about the legal ramifications, notaries, or taxes.
Let's get a paragraph written on the first bullet point, the legal landscape about crypto real estate transactions. Awesome. Now drop this in your content. Then we have sentiment. Can you write your content in a positive or negative light? Let's say you're writing an article in favor of Bitcoin for real estate transactions. Then the following line is not helping your argument. Bitcoin's volatility is orders of magnitude more extreme than even the most unstable of fiat currencies. Ouch.
Just rewrite the line in a positive sentiment. There, that's much better. Bitcoin's volatility is significantly higher than that of most unstable fiat currency, which can be viewed as a positive aspect of the cryptocurrency.
And let's say you want to add schema markup to your article, which you should. Yo, ChatGPT, create schema markup for the same article. Now, I'm not even close to finishing off ChatGPT's SEO applications, but I want to take a quick pause. I want you to realize that we just researched, planned, and wrote an entire SEO optimized article for free.
Yeah, baby!
Is this the best piece of content you've ever read? Not likely. But you can bet your buns it's better than entry-level writers. Can you post this content directly to your website? Not without an editing step. Remember, Google doesn't like AI content and it's working on detecting it. The subpar AI algorithms can already be detected, so human editing and fine-tune optimization with a tool like Surfer are still required, especially if you're targeting high competition keywords. I have a video coming out next month on how I built an entire website with AI content. It goes over the complete A to Z process, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Now let's get back to more ChatGPT SEO applications. How about creating a topical map? If you want to rank for something like timeshares, you need a lot of timeshare content. Writing one article isn't enough. This one I got from the homie Andrew Sterling Ansley. ChatGPT, provide the 10 nearest semantically associated questions to what is the value of a timeshare?
How does the value of a timeshare change over time? Can a timeshare be sold or is it stuck with the owner? These are great.
Since they're so closely related, if you write all these articles, you're much more likely to rank compared to if you wrote a single one of them separately. Now, how about keyword clustering? Say you have a list of keywords and you want to know which ones belong in the same article. I got this one from the ChatGPT SEO Facebook group. Type cluster the following keywords based on relevancy, and bam, here's your keyword groupings. Every article should aim to have a section that is optimized for getting the featured snippet. To do that, you should answer the search query in an NLP-friendly format. What is an NLP-friendly format? Who cares? ChatGPT knows how to do it. Ask it, answer the following in an NLP-friendly format. What is an organic SEO consultant? And here's your answer. It echoes back the search query, uses the word is, and gives a concise answer. Now let's say you want to promote your article. You've written it, now how can you get some eyeballs on it? Ask ChatGPT to write an email with subject line to promote your article, and it'll spit out an email that you can send to your list. Or you can ask it to create a tweet or other social media post to share your article, complete with hashtags. Hell, you can use it to create highly engaging social media posts that will attract likes and shares to boost your own social media presence. Let's dig into link building and how ChatGPT can be leveraged to do it at scale, namely guest posting. Hey ChatGPT, write a 500-word guest post on keyword research written in the style of Gary Vee just for some flavor. And voila, here you go. And here's a clever way to do SEO research, also from my friend Andrew. ChatGPT, summarize the main points of this article from Corey Tugberg, then paste in the article. Need more clarification? Type something like, please clarify semantic SEO in layman's terms. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my case study on a full website build using AI content and the breakdown of how you can do it for yourself. Thanks for watching.